What's up, everyone? I figured it's been quite a while since I've posted a video, and I know the last time I said I was going to post a video was going to be a rocket launch. Well, got some different plans now. So, been digging into this thing, and I've been trying for the life of me to get this to be less, it's turned off right now, but look how wiggly that is. That's too wiggly for my taste, because I have a feeling that, because if I do this, the servo arms are not even moving. So it's just the tube moving. So this is how much play it has in it. And I'm glad I caught that before we actually flew the dang thing. Got a new nose cone. Well, at least the mid part of it to help stabilize the top of it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically reprinting the cradle that holds the servos and everything. I'm reprinting them to include gears instead of what was I using? Paper clips. So I'm replacing the paper clips with gears, which should hopefully eliminate that horrible wiggle. So I got the body, not the body tube, the motor tube is printing here with the new gear set. The new servo housing, servo disc, rods are on here. They will also integrate with a gear system. And then over here is the new body tube mount that actually mounts the thrust vector system to the rocket, which will also integrate a gear. So hopefully with these new components, it should all take about 9 hours since I got 3 printers on one project. It would have taken a day and like 4 hours if I did the whole thing on just one. So this should eliminate that wiggle. Because the servos don't start to like actually give resistance until about there. So that's too much play for me. So we're gonna get that fixed. The circuitry is all still good. Nothing's come loose or anything. Turn the motors on, and then it's got a lot of play in it. Like, I can actually feel the servos ticking away a little bit, and this is still not adjusting as, oh, there we go. So yeah, no, we're gonna get some gears in there like I did my very, 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 very first thrust vector project, and hopefully that'll eliminate that. But everything is still working. The 9-volt lithiums, the buck converter, the capacitors. Yeah, SD card's still logging too, so we're good. But yeah, no, I know I've been saying I'm gonna fly, but I've just been finding all these little things. So I'll get all the wrinkles out, and then we shall definitely be flying. But this is ready. I got this finished. I got the core inside and everything. So before we do that, I'll probably do this. This is about 160 grams worth of rocket candy fuel in here. Also, got the new igniter. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Here's my new igniter. So the problem with my previous motors, why they didn't really do much, is because my silly butt would only take the igniter and put it right there. No. You got to take this and you have to shove it completely all the way to the top. So in reality, only that much is going to be sticking out. So I really hope it's hot enough to burn all this out, otherwise it's going to be one bumpy ride out the nozzle. But yep, so hopefully I'll get that thing fired off, see how much thrust, get that thing lifted off and see just how squirrely it is. But that's where I'm at. Till next time.